So one thing we can do, either kneeling or in standing, we can have a little squishy ball between the ribs and the arms resting passively. And Binka's just going to take an easy side bend over, away from the ball. The ball will roll up the ribs and then come back. Almost passive, just letting the rib cage side bend over nice and easily and settle back up. And as she does that, she'll feel the shoulder blades slide on the back a little bit and return. After a minute of those, we're going to side bend and then stay in that side position. She's just going to allow that shoulder to roll forward, letting the ball roll with her, and then return back to the side. And same thing again, letting the collarbone swing forward, that shoulder slide on the back, and back to the side. Really nice way to mobilize the shoulder blade on the rib cage and the collarbone and entire shoulder girdle here. And then she's going to come back up, and she could take the whole thing through again. Another nice option is to have the hand on the squishy ball right in line with the shoulder. And just like the fingers are wrapping forward on the ball, we're just going to roll the ball forward and roll the ball back. The elbow will stay pretty elongated, and we're just gliding the shoulder blade forward around the rib cage and slide it in towards the spine a little bit. It slides and wraps forward. It won't go very far. Again, we're going in that range. That is really easy, that we're not forcing end range. And really trying to sense that the shoulder blade is sliding forward back, but not at all downwards. So she's not pulling the shoulder blade down the ribs, but just sliding it in. Nice, easy, comfortable range there. And let's do one more. Okay. The last option is to stay lying down. We're going to take the squishy ball this time between the elbow and the ribs. And again, we're nice and soft in the shoulder blade. We're not clamping down. And we're just going to do rotator cuff here. So without really squishing the ball too much, we're going to pivot up and then pivot forward. And pivoting up and pivot forward. And again, try to sense that arm pivoting really cleanly in the socket, that we're not shifting forward or back. Okay, this can be done either without a weight or with a light hand weight as well. Whatever range is perfectly comfortable, hopefully getting to a moment where the shoulder feels fatigue but not pain.